Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to sign up Gmail app. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to sign up for Gmail using Gmail app on your smartphone or tablet, follow these steps. First thing you're gonna do is download the Gmail app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now search here Gmail. So mine is already installed. So install it if you haven't yet. Now, click on the Create Account button located below the Sign In button. Enter if it's for you or you have to manage your business. Now, enter your first name and your surname. Then, click Next. Now, enter your basic information. Enter your birthday and your gender. Now, you can choose a Gmail address. You should pick a Gmail address or you can create your own. Now, create a strong password. You should mix it with letters and numbers and symbols. Now, you can also add your phone number. You can also skip or you can follow all the steps. Now, you can review your account info and you can use the email address to sign in later. Now, just read the privacy and terms and just click I agree. Now, it's already done. So, that's it. You have successfully signed up for a Gmail account using the Gmail app. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!